Maybe consider an alternate route right at this time, but a check in 10 minutes. I'll have an update. Zach?
Actually, quick weather story here real quick, Megan. Tornadoes ripped through parts of the Midwest yesterday, and a drone here caught one twister spinning through fields in Sulphur, Oklahoma. Severe storms spawned multiple tornadoes all across the state and also in Arkansas, Missouri, and Kansas. There you have it. Here's Zach.
Look at this. You guys are getting the panoramic of the whole studio on that one. Well, those tornadic activity out to our west, thankfully, is not going to be reaching us here in southern New England. But thankfully, we are starting off May on a different note than how we ended April. Yesterday,